Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good today. What about you?
I'm good, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Gopi.
Gobi, I'm Jay.
Hi, Jay.
Hello, and where are you from?
I'm from India,
From India. Nice. I'm from Australia.
Australia. Okay, that's nice place.
Yeah, so what do you do, Gobi?
I'm working as a quality control specialist in a BPO.
And
As
what does
the,
your company provide?
they are customer. I mean, they provide customer service and
Oh, okay.
technical support, tech support.
Oh, okay, I see. And how long have you been doing that for?
Um, I'm in this field for more than 15 years.
Oh, okay. Nice. And how can I help you today, Gobi?
No, I just wanted to speak with some native speakers, so that's the reason I choose this platform.
Oh, okay. Okay, nice.
I also work as a I also work as a freelance English tutor.
Oh, you work as a freelance English tutor.
Yeah,
Oh,
correct.
nice. Nice. How long have you been using Cambly for?
It's almost a couple of months.
Oh, okay. And how long have you been doing freelancing for?
Like from the month of August last year.
Oh, okay. And do you work online or do you do face to face?
It's online,
Online. Oh,
so
okay.
I handle online classes for the students
Do you do for Indian students or for
for
outside?
for Indian students.
For Indian students. Oh, okay. I see. And what's your hobby? What are your hobbies, Gopi?
My hobbies are reading books and watching movies,
Oh,
watching web
nice.
series.
Okay. And what kind of books do you like to read?
I like motivational books.
Motivational books. Oh, okay. Can you tell me about the last book that you read?
Currently, I'm not reading any books, but very long back I was reading books, and I'm reading something related to share market nowadays. I'm interested in share market.
Sorry, can you say that again?
I'm interested in share market now, so
Oh,
I'm
share market. Stock
share
market.
market, stock
Okay.
market, yeah, stock
Me
market.
too. Me too.
So I'm learning something about stock right now.
Oh, okay. Do you do any investments or you just learning?
Yeah, I tried delivery, day trading as well as intraday trading,
Yeah, yeah, me too. Yeah, I do. I do more swing trading.
swing trading options.
Yeah, I want to do options, but I'm having difficulty finding a good platform for options for my
Exactly,
location.
exactly.
Yeah,
That's really tough. We have to be very careful, and we should have.
international interactive brokers is probably one of the best options.
Okay, but
Yeah,
I'm
it's just
trying only Indian stocks.
only Indian stocks. Oh,
Only
okay,
Indian stocks. I'm not going for. Uh,
okay.
it's like an ocean. Like we have to learn a lot.
Yeah. Nowadays the stock market is, as they say, it's just a pump and dump. You know, like because a lot of stocks are just moving off the volume and sentiments of people on social media, and it's the current uncertainty in the world is causing a lot of volatility,
Exactly,
extreme
exactly.
volatility. So to be an investor, it's not a good time. It's not a good time to be an investor.
Yeah,
You have to be a day trader or swing
yeah.
trader.
Trader have a good thing nowadays.
Yeah,
People need quick money rather than waiting for it. Waiting as an investor.
yeah. I mean, as an investor, you can make money before the stock market is very different to now.
Yeah.
I mean, even if you follow pro traders, they say that today's environment
Hmm.
is unlike any environment before in the stock market.
Exactly.
So it's very difficult to know what will happen in the future because of COVID-19 and
Yeah.
war and you know uh, this supply chain problem. So I always looked at the stock market with investing mind as an investor.
Yeah. Okay.
But I've in the recent times I've come to the conclusion that that is the wrong mentality now. That is
Hmm.
the wrong strategy
Okay.
because so many times I invested in stocks. I was making good profit, but I didn't sell, and the price went back to where I bought it from.
Oh my. Same thing happened to me too.
It always happens. It just keeps on happening. So it's
Yeah,
like, why should I be an investor then? You know, you just
mhm,
need to take profits.
yeah, correct. So we have to select opportunity.
Yeah, exactly. You just have to be opportunistic. You have to take your profits
Mhm,
and then look for the next one.
yeah.
You know,
Even I prefer trading than investing.
yeah. That trading is good. Swing trading is especially. I like to do catalysts. I like catalyst training.
So what
I
is
like catalyst trading.
so what is that all about?
You look for the catalyst that's coming in the future, like weeks or maybe in a month. You know, traditionally earnings was good, but as we can see, like some of the recent earnings that came out, like a company can have very good earnings, but people sell the news. You know, they buy the rumor and they sell.
Yeah, that is also a lot of manipulation is happening right now.
Oh, big manipulation. I mean, the hedge funds, the way they manipulate the market, it's just unbelievable, you know. And there is no regulation. They say it's regulated, but you know, if you get away with anything, you can short, you can short the stock to the ground.
Yeah, we can. So the big, they call it as big institutions can do
Big
anything.
institutions,
They
they
can do
can do
anything.
anything.
Yeah, they can easily manipulate the market.
Exactly. And you know the the dark pool exchanges. A lot of trading goes on in the dark pools. That's
Okay.
how they manipulate the markets. You know,
So what is that dark pool? I'm not aware of it.
it's a off exchange trading. All of the institutions and the hedge funds, that's what they do.
Okay, they do.
We don't have access to that. They have access.
Okay, okay, got it,
They can
got it.
manipulate. They can manipulate the market
Mm,
by you know like when there is low volume in the stock market.
yeah.
Obviously, they a lot of it's because on the dark pool. A lot of that volume is going to the dark pool. You see,
Mhm.
and honestly, you can make more money shorting now. You know,
Yeah,
more money.
seriously,
Short
correct,
everything. Short
correct.
everything. You know, it's how the market is now.
Yeah, we can make more money in shorting rather than buying something.
Exactly. It's just it's unfortunate, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
So you know,
That's,
do you do options as well? Have you been doing
yeah, I
options?
tried. I tried almost everything when it comes to share market. Within 6 months, I tried my
Did
best.
you have much success in options?
Not exactly. Not exactly.
Okay, I
So
see.
I'm just still learning.
Right, right. I haven't started doing any options trading in real money. I've only been doing paper money,
Hmm.
but I'm trying to open an account for options. I'm still waiting to open the account.
But options is like highly volatile market.
Yeah, yeah. High volatile, also high risk reward as well, depending
Yeah,
on
high risk reward. Yes, yes.
it's options is a good way if there is a company that you really want to buy their stock, but you
Hmm.
don't have the money now. You can buy this for like 1 year or 2 year leap calls, they call them, like 3 years. You can buy their shares and
Hmm.
just forget about it, like you know, because every contract is 100 shares.
Yeah.
If you
So
want like
it
a
depends.
thousand,
Like Indian market will have different categories.
so yeah, so options is a good way to get shares of a company that you like for cheaper without
Yeah,
paying money.
for very less amount of money.
That's one good strategy.
Exactly.
But yeah, I mean it's exciting. It's exciting being a trader, you know, and
Yeah,
also it's stressful as well.
exactly. So when we invest the money, it will become stressful. Like we always
Right.
think about how it moves, how the
I know.
graph moves.
Yeah.
Like,
Is there any? Do you use any program for the charts? Any particular program?
no, I like I used to watch the candlestick pattern.
Yeah, but what do you? Which program do you use? There is certain programs, websites.
No, that Zerodha. It's very famous in India.
Oh, okay.
Zerodha. So they have a what to say? They have app as well as computer application. So we can use from mobile phone also.
Oh, okay. Nice. One of the most popular ones that traders use is actually TradeView.
TradeView. Yeah, I use that chart. That chart is
Yeah,
really nice to
yeah,
watch.
it's very nice. Yeah, TradeView is very nice.
TradeView, yeah, that's good.
For the American stock market, I like to use Finviz for information for uh, for news, for to get the statistic sheet for each company. You know, how much is the float, the free float, the short interest. You know, Finviz is quite good. You can do scan. You can scan the markets for
Oh, wow.
for specifications like certain chart patterns, like bull flag, double bottom, double top. You know, you can scan for all of these combinations.
Wow. That
On that.
sounds interesting.
You can scan for like unusual volume for the day.
Mhm.
You can scan for many kinds of things.
Okay. Okay.
On the free version, you can do. The paid version is more up to date, obviously.
Okay. So, how long have you been in the markets? I mean,
Since
learning
the
about
beginning,
market.
since the beginning of the pandemic.
Oh, yeah. I believe like most of the traders, I mean, most of the investors started investing after the pandemic. I believe most of
I
the
think a
retail traders.
large, yeah. Retail trading has increased maybe by 80%, I think, since the
Yeah,
pandemic. A lot.
pandemic. Yeah. So because we get a lot of time in home, isn't it? Like we don't
Yeah,
have to travel, and most of the time we'll be in home attending. The work at home culture
right.
because
I
of that.
invested. I invested in Australian stocks much before.
Hmm.
But like in a seriously doing it as a full time, I've been doing it since the beginning of the pandemic. Yeah,
Okay. And some people are minting a lot of money by trading. They are
they are.
becoming
They
they are
are.
becoming very rich.
They are. They are making a lot of money, especially. You know what's very important to have access to the pre-market at after hours. That's very
Mhm.
important. Like I only have access just to the normal market hours, but a lot of movement happens in the pre-market and after hours. Because
So I believe retailers will not get a thing, right? Like access to that
no,
pre-market
no,
price.
you can get it on the
Oh,
platforms. You can.
oh,
IBK, International Interactive Brokers. You can get pre-market access 2 hours before and 2 hours after.
wow.
But in the
Oh,
United
that is.
States, they have
Uh-huh.
other brokers. You can get
Uh-huh.
access to the pre-market. Like you can get 16 hours a day access, all up.
Wow. Oh
So
my God.
7.5 hours for normal market hours, and of those hours.
So that is a time where the consolidation happens, right? Like the pre-market session. Most of
You
the
will
trade will happen in pre-market
actually most of the trading happens during market hours,
or
but
market
not
hours.
not everybody has access to pre-market and after hours.
Yeah,
But
makes sense. Yeah,
but the stock can move much more quickly from
yeah,
low vol.
quickly.
Yeah, and
Volatility will be
very
very
high
high.
volatility. Yeah. So look, you can have one stock, it'll drop 20% in the pre-market.
Yeah, yeah,
By the time the market opens, it's back to 5% plus.
yeah,
So see the opportunity there.
yeah, yeah. That's
Sometimes in the pre-market, it can go up 100%. And then when the market opens, it would have consolidated to like 50, 60, 40%.
okay.
See, so there is big opportunity in the pre-market and the after hours.
Yeah.
It's a
Even
must.
I hope you remember during that Russian war something, right?
Yeah,
Russian. The shorting, the people who have shorted have taken like 10x profit at that time.
yeah, they did. And a lot of the petroleum, the oil companies made nice gains during that time. There's one Indonesian company. It's called
Mhm.
Indo. I was
Okay.
watching this stock from
Okay.
$4
Oh,
in less than 1 month. It went all the way to $85.
oh my God. Oh,
I didn't invest
and
I was too scared. Like I saw it go from $4 to $9. I said to
mhm.
myself, I don't want to chase. I
Okay.
don't want to do FOMO. I didn't get any. And then it
Mhm.
went to 15, 20, then to 80, and it
Oh,
was it was gone. Yeah.
that
This
is
was
very exponential.
exponential growth right there.
Yeah.
And now it's consolidated to about 20, but it's
Mhm.
uh, it's still a very good stock to watch for the
Okay.
petrol oil momentum. The oil momentum
Mhm.
is very good. When the oil prices go up, you see a lot of interest.
Mhm.
Oh,
Okay.
Gopi, the time is about to finish.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice to
Yeah.
talk to you.
Right. Right. So we'll see you next time.
See you next time. Happy trading.
Yeah. You too. Bye.
Okay.
All the
Bye
best.
bye. Thank you. Take care. See you.